We're here in the kitchen. It's just a regular Friday night, making dinner, showing you the standard breading procedure. We've taken chicken breasts, we've pocketed them, we fill them up with a mixture of, basically we're making a chicken cordon bleu. We have some Swiss, we have some ham, we have some mozzarella in there to keep it gooey, a little bit of egg to tighten it up once it bakes. Now what we're going to do is a standard breading procedure. This is seasoned flour. We get the chicken breast, flour it all around, shake off the excess. We're going to roll it in the egg wash. This is just beaten eggs. And then let some of that drip off. Do that with one hand. Then with the other hand, we're going to hit it with some panko. These will be pan fried in a cast iron skillet. The dog seems happy about it in the background. And that is how you bread a chicken breast or anything. The standard breading procedure. So we'll do the last two, seasoned bread. The other thing is once you use your flour, your egg wash, your breadcrumbs, throw it away. They're tainted. I mean, you know, if you keep them for another day or a week or whatever, you're just going to get sick because you got raw chicken in there, raw pork, raw shrimp, whatever you're breading at the same time. You didn't even see that treat. And these actually look very nice. And that's the, let me get that in the water. And that is your breaded chicken breast. We'll be right back once we start to fry it. All right, we have oil about 350 degrees. We get a little light here. We haven't really set the kitchen up for proper filming. You're gonna do the skin side down. And we might just do two at a time so we don't overfill the pan. And you leave it, you let it be, let it cook. Don't be messing with it, don't be touching it.
The temperature is the oil on?
350. I don't like frying inside. I would much rather do this in the deep fryer, which I have in the garage. But we're going to get it cooked. We're going to get a lovely brown. You can see it starting to brown. See the egg browning? You don't want to overfill it. It overflows, especially if you have a gas stove. It overflows. You got a grease fire. You have to be really sensitive to frying inside. This is actually liquid creamy frying oil. I've got a 5-gallon bucket in the garage. Most people don't have it. It's a Restaurant Depot or a Sam's Club buy, where you get a nice big bucket. Nice golden brown. A little bit burnt on there. Not burnt, a little bit dark. What we're going to do is over here, once we're done, we're going to place them on a rack, put them in a 350 degree oven, finish them off in there. The rack allows the heat to come up underneath. It allows any excess oil to drip off into the pan below it. It'll dry it out. If it is, it won't be greasy at all. If you fry at the right temperature, it's actually not that unhealthy for you. It's when you put stuff in cold oil, it just starts to suck in the oil. When you fry at a higher temperature, it seizes it up. The oil doesn't get in. It just gives it a nice brown color. So just about another 50. This one is done. I'll turn my back on you. Look at that. So that one is done. We'll say this one's done as well. That's the stupidest thing to do is put your hand under dripping oil, but being OCD, I'd rather burn my hand than get my floor dirty. Same thing for both of those. This pan has to go away as it has had raw chicken on it. And that's that. We'll come back to you in a little bit. Once it comes out of the oven, we're gonna, we blanched off some asparagus. We have some angel hair pasta. We have some garlic bread. We'll do a quick little plate presentation and show you what we do on a Friday night for dinner. All right, we're back. These have been in the oven for about 20 minutes. They're always hard to tell whether they're cooked all the way through because we have them stuffed with cheese. You can't really do it by feel. We're gonna go ahead and give it a slice. We have some tossed angel here, just butter and Parmesan, and then a little bit of asparagus we blanched off. We just finished off in the pan to heat back up with a little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic. And that is cooked. And this one does have the sauce. That looks pretty tasty. So we'll just take a little bit of twist to the pasta. Turn it on the plate. Is that enough for Jacob?
Yes.
A little piece of garlic bread. That's your Friday night dinner. Where's the ham go?
Hold on.
We need to give him ham. The dog wants a treat.
I won't show that he missed the treat.
The dog is old.